Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by powering the device and turning on location services. Once done, open your GPS app and grant permissions. You need a satellite fix. Make sure to stand outside or by a clear window and wait 3 to 60 seconds. You'll see accuracy improve. If not, toggle airplane mode briefly, then back. You're starting the system now, so avoid obstructive metal or dense canopy. Once the fix stabilizes, note the accuracy reading. That tells you how reliable the position is. You now plan the route. Input a destination or tap a point on the map and choose driving, walking, cycling, or custom routing. Once selected, inspect options. Make sure to set preferences like avoid tolls or prefer highways, and add waypoints if you have stops. You should also download offline maps for the area if cellular service is limited. This keeps navigation working. After configuring alerts and voice guidance, start navigation. Observe the route preview and estimated time. You follow turn-by-turn directions while keeping eyes primarily on the road. Glance at the ETA and next maneuver. If you miss a turn, the system will reroute. Pause briefly, confirm the new path, then resume. Make sure to follow safe driving practices. If guidance is off, troubleshoot. Restart the app, recalibrate the compass by moving the device in a figure-8, toggle location services, or switch to a downloaded offline map. Lastly, keep battery and data in mind to avoid surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.